Okay, on this one, you don't have to do it, but I prefer it. You need to poke your hose in here as much as you can, because you're going to preheat this into the oven for about 8 minutes. What we're going to start on is we're going to start on our cornstarch. Put that in the pot right there. We're going to put our sugar in with it. And then we're just going to combine these together real good. You want to use a silicone whisk, by the way, so you don't scratch your saucepan up. Okay, what we're going to add to this, we're going to turn this on. And we're just going to add in 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And we're just going to bring this to a boil. We are going to add in some vanilla extract. And we just want to whisk this. We want to make this come to a good boil. Okay, we're going to put this into the pie. Top this with the butter. Just gonna put this all over it. Okay. Alright, take a look at that. That is a sugar cream pie we just made. And we're going to cut a slice and do a taste test on this. Okay, people, look at that. That is beautiful. We're going to do a taste test on this. Oh my God. That is just so delicious. Look at that. Look how creamy inside. That is a sugar pie, and it's delicious. Oh my God, that's so delicious. Oh my God, that's good. I can't believe how delicious that was. I can't believe my eyes. That is delicious, people. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is good. I love this pie. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. And if you subscribe, hit that bell. I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.